Can you just give me a moment to create a quick tweet? Hey, Fee Rolling. Welcome back to the channel. How's your day coming along? Okay, let's maximize this. Three, 8, 6. Hey, I'm good too. Okay, just that a lot of things to do. Okay, so let's see. Can we play this? Okay. Okay, let's stop the iTunes music. Okay, so since the last live stream session, okay, I have added I have changed the ability to damage enemies. Okay, so today we'll continue with changing the ability so that it will damage you as well. Okay, so this will make the impulse ability a double-edged sword. Okay, first let's see it in action first. Okay, so as you can see now, it pushes the enemy away from the center of the projectile. Okay. Okay, but it seems like I have maybe applied too much force. So now we need to decrease. Oh, okay. Due to the fact that there was a typo here. And also let's have the impulse word appear. Okay, so okay, this should make the word impulse appear when you collect the star. Oh. Okay, so I did not add a physics body to the word, so let's do that now. Okay, we need to add a physics body so that we can make the word go up. It's a simple animation. So okay, so the impulse word appears, but okay, it has to be in front of the tiles. Okay, so let's set the order to 2. Okay, so the impulse animation blasts or pushes the enemies away if they are within its blast radius. Okay, but as you can see, you have to be careful when you use it, as it can push the enemy towards you. Oh, okay, that was my bad. Okay, I accidentally jumped in to commit suicide. Okay, you might have also noticed that I have reduced the time the projectiles appears on the stage, so the impulse animation happens rather quickly. Okay, a good thing about impulse is that it damages any enemies within its blast radius, but it costs 2 mana to do so, and it only, at the moment it only does 1 damage. Okay, but in the long term you will save mana as you can damage multiple enemies at once. Okay, so there are just a few more things that we need to do for impulse. Okay, one of them is to change, or rather to add, to make the ability damage you as well. Okay, so to do it quick and dirty, we'll just copy and paste the existing code. Okay, player dot take damage attack power. Okay, the attack power is the amount of damage the ability will do, so we'll call the take damage to damage the player. Okay, so let's test to see if we can get damage from using impulse. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, we just need to check if the projectile is on the right or on the left of the player. Okay. Okay, give me a second. Player. Okay, so we have to initialize the player over here. Okay, that should do it. So if this works, all that's left for impulse is to add the sound effect and for the ability orb, so that you can level up your impulse ability. Alright, so if I use impulse over here, okay, so it damages you, as you can see. Okay, but the enemy can get stuck on the wall. Okay, which means that we need to set the enemy as not on the ground. Okay, if grounded equals to false, and over here we'll reset it to say that it's grounded again. Okay, so we just have a very small error here. Enemy to destroy. Okay, line 351. Okay, so we just need to check if there are enemies spawn. Hey Rodolfo, welcome back to the channel. How's your day coming along? Okay, we just need to initialize it. Hey, I'm great here too. Thanks for asking as well. I'm from Singapore. Okay, Singapore is just south of Malaysia. Okay, it is actually just a small dot on the world map. Okay, just to make sure that the impulse ability works on your character as well. Okay, so I'm going to restart. Okay, so if I use it here, okay, so it works on your character as well. Oh. Okay, but we need to reduce the force applied so you don't go flying off to the other side of the screen. Okay, let's reduce the amount of force by half. Okay, it's actually 10:30 a.m. over here. Okay, but I have the lights on because it's raining outside, so the sky is rather dark. Okay, let's use it over here. Okay, so timing is essential as well. Whoa. Okay, so with this new ability, you have to be careful of where the enemies are pushed towards. Okay, and you have to take note of the blast radius. Whoa, okay, that was close. Whoa, okay, so you can die from the blast radius as well. So that's why you have to be careful of how you use impulse. Okay, so now that the ability is working, okay, the next thing we have to do is to add the ability orb for impulse. Okay, so let's listen to some music and let's go to Photoshop. Okay, so what you see over here, okay, what you see over here is the ability orb for fireball. Okay, we are going to change it to the ability orb for impulse. Hey Subsonic CD Tune, welcome to the channel. How's your day coming along? Okay, so first thing first, we are going to duplicate it and let's call it the impulse orb. Okay, so we will use the palette or the color theme from the impulse sprites for the ability orb. Okay, so first thing first, the brighter side of the orb. Okay, notice that I have locked the transparent pixels, so I can just brush over the existing pixels over here and it will change color. Okay, and now let's use the darker shade. And finally, for the brightest part, will be used for the small glow on the top right.